Hello guys, I'm filming this because, you know, I suddenly found out that we now have like 100 of subscribers at this channel. So this was quite a strange phenomenon because I'm doing this only for my own purposes, but somehow someone liked what they've seen. So I have bought a microphone. Now let's get some content from it. Okay, this is a test of sound check. This is just a test of sound check. So I would like to film something about me and make a sound check at high speed. So right now, let's test the camera and microphone together. Okay. Yeah, let's frighten some pedestrians here. Okay. They are not afraid of anything. Maybe they have many lives. Okay. Tough corner, 180 at higher speeds. Yeah. So yeah. So if the sound is fine right now, I think we can keep up with this configuration. So it's automatic sound gain system. I am going at about 20, maybe 18 kilometers per hour, like this. And if my voice can be heard together with the wind and maybe with wheels making this sound of asphalt, so we can use this configuration totally. So let it be. Let's ride, and let's ride several more minutes just to check the sound, the microphones, and everything like this. Okay, so here is the rear view. So as you may see, since we're using the external microphone, the sound is not affected in any way. I love this. Yeah, and because we have a windshield and it is under my t-shirt, so I guess you won't hear any bad sounds either, but the road is noisy, and probably that will make a little bit of inconveniences on post-production, but I hope I will manage to cut out all the noise I don't need. Wow. Well, actually going at higher speeds and talking is not something I do like very easily, and also English is not my native language, so once again that's good that I can speak it and that you can understand. I know you are like Well, according to YouTube analytics, most of you speak English, and so this international language can be used to communicate between us and me and you. So let me know in the comments what other languages I should learn in order to make it more convenient for both of us to understand each other. Right now I speak English, Russian, and well, quite a bit of Serbian because I live in Serbia, obviously. So, okay guys, I think that's all for now. Let's check and test everything. Ciao.